The brand new macOS 15 has arrived and how. Loaded with a ton of AI-powered features, the latest iteration of macOS looks all set to win a lot of hearts. Whether you are willing to take the macOS 15 for a test drive or want to dig into the details of the pre-release software, this hands-on video has got you fully covered. That said, let's get started. Before moving ahead, ensure that you have fully backed up your Mac. With the latest backup readily available, your precious data will have an extra layer of safeguard against accidental loss. Besides, the backup will also let you go back to the stable version of macOS without any pain either. To do so, you have to dive into the Settings app on your Mac and then select General. After that, choose Time Machine and then add a backup disk and then follow the usual process to backup your macOS device. It's also worth reiterating that betas tend to be full of bugs which can seriously impact the performance of your Mac. Hence, you should be fully prepared to deal with a number of issues such as battery drain, overheating, apps crashing, and more. Once you have taken care of all the basics, you have to open the System Settings app on your Mac. Then select General. After that, select Software Update, then choose Beta Updates, and then select macOS 15 Developer Beta. Next up, click on the Done button in the window, and finally follow the usual process to download and install the macOS Beta on your Mac, and that's pretty much it. Once you have successfully downloaded and installed the macOS 15 Beta on your Mac, take all the cool features for a long spin, and do share your invaluable feedback about it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.